When it comes to getting started on Facebook strategy, it's important to begin by clearly identifying what you want to achieve, who you want to reach, the content that's relevant, and then choose the right Facebook tools to implement with best practices so you can constantly measure and adjust and improve. The bottom line is that you need to employ the social media strategic planning process when you're looking at your Facebook strategy. The starting point of this is listening. Here, we want to really explore what are people talking about on Facebook? What are they interested in? What do other businesses or brands do that seem to get results for them? The second thing you'll want to do is look at your own marketing strategy and clearly identify your business goals and objectives for Facebook. Next, it's important to really understand who you want to reach as specifically as possible to achieve that marketing strategy. Especially when it comes to Facebook advertising, there's a lot of really impressive targeting that we can do on Facebook, but you need to know who to reach in order to take advantage of it. Even if you're not looking at only advertising on Facebook, defining your target audience clearly will help you to create better content that performs better organically. Next, you'll want to build out a content plan. What content will you post and how often to maximize your results from Facebook? Next, you'll choose the Facebook tools that are right for you. Almost every business starts with a page, but businesses can actually now create and moderate groups. So groups could be an opportunity, events, advertising. All of these are opportunities that you can use to take advantage of Facebook even more. Next, you'll want to make sure you're implementing using best practices. Whenever possible, you want to be able to test and learn to know exactly what works for you because best practices aren't guaranteed to work for every business. That being said, having a starting point of what success generally looks like can give you a good place to start, and then you can test and improve on top of that. As I just mentioned, testing and learning is absolutely vital to any social media strategy. While there are a lot of best practices, what we know is that each business is unique and the way people respond to each business is unique. So you want to make sure that you understand what works for your audience, which may be different than some of the best practices you hear. And you'll want to use what you learn from tracking and measuring to adjust your strategy and continue this cycle over time.